Welcome to Best 5 Products. The Best Slushy Maker is probably one of the most exciting additions to any home kitchen, especially for families with kids or anyone who loves a refreshing, icy treat on a hot day, allowing you to recreate those beloved convenience store slushies right in your own home with minimal effort and maximum fun, turning ordinary drinks into delightful frozen concoctions. Number 5. Hawaiian Shaved Ice S900A Snow Cone Machine. Bring the fun of a snow day right into your kitchen with this electric shaved ice machine. It's perfect for creating all sorts of frozen treats. Whip up margaritas, slushies, iced coffees, or even unique frozen snowball concoctions. You can customize your drinks exactly how you like them. This machine is designed for convenience. It features a simple 3-piece assembly and works with various types of ice, including ones you make yourself. Don't limit yourself to just shaved ice. This versatile appliance can add a refreshing twist to your cocktails and other beverages. Operating this machine is a breeze, and it stores away neatly when not in use. Enjoy delicious frozen treats anytime without the hassle. Explore a world of flavor with our wide range of syrup options. It's not just for snow cones, it's for enhancing all your favorite drinks. What we like. This machine offers great flexibility with ice types, even allowing you to make your own with included molds. If you like experimenting with different ice bases for your drinks, you should consider this one. It also comes with a manufacturer's warranty for peace of mind. What people say. The machine is easy to use and makes slushies quickly. It's great for parties and kids love it. The design is compact and doesn't take up much counter space. Number 4. Nostalgia Retro Red Snow Cone Shaved Ice Machine. Introducing the Nostalgia Retro Red Snow Cone Shaved Ice Machine. It's a fun and easy way to create delicious icy treats. This machine can make up to 20 refreshing treats, perfect for any gathering. It's designed for convenience and enjoyment. Equipped with precision-cut stainless steel blades, it quickly shaves ice into fluffy snow-like consistency. Enjoy perfectly textured shaved ice every time. It's the ideal addition to birthday parties, BBQs, and dinner parties. Bring a touch of fun to any celebration with these delightful treats. Its perfect size fits easily on your countertop or a side table. For added safety, a switch is built into the shaving mechanism. This device works perfectly with all Nostalgia snow cone kits. Explore their syrups, straws, and cups for even more flavor options. What we like. With its charming retro aesthetic and efficient stainless steel blades, this machine is a fantastic addition to any gathering. If you're looking for a fun, nostalgic way to entertain guests at parties or BBQs, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The machine is easy to use and makes slushies quickly. It's a great way to make fun, frozen drinks at home. The design is compact and doesn't take up much counter space. Number 3. Nostalgia Retro Tabletop Snow Cone Shaved Ice Machine. Remember the joy of snow cones? This retro-inspired machine brings that classic fun right into your home. It's perfect for creating icy treats for everyone. With its precision-cut stainless steel blades, it quickly transforms ice cubes into fluffy, snow-like perfection. Enjoy delicious shaved ice in no time. Make any occasion special with this delightful machine. It's a guaranteed hit at birthday parties, BBQs, or any gathering where fun is on the menu. Designed to fit perfectly on your countertop or a side table, it's easy to serve refreshing treats anywhere. Safety is also built in for peace of mind. It works wonderfully with all Nostalgia snow cone kits and syrups. Let your creativity flow and invent your favorite flavor combinations. Embrace a touch of the past with this charming appliance. It offers a unique and fun way to create memories, blending classic design with modern enjoyment. What we like. This model boasts a classic retro look and sharp stainless steel blades for fluffy shaved ice, making it ideal for celebrations. If you want to add a touch of vintage charm to your events and easily create icy treats for a crowd, this is a great option. What people say. Easy to use and makes great slushies. Fun for the whole family and creates delicious frozen drinks. The machine is compact and easy to store. Number 2. Hawaiian Shaved Ice Machine Kit S900A. Create fluffy shaved ice right in your kitchen with this electric machine. It's perfect for making margaritas, slushies, iced coffee, and any frozen treat you can imagine. Set up your own icy treat station at home with this easy-to-use and clean countertop maker. It's portable and stores conveniently when not in use. This kit includes the machine, 3 delicious syrup flavors, cups, straws, pourers, and ice molds. You can use cube ice, bagged ice, or make your own ice blocks. Each syrup bottle makes about 8 snow cones, and the entire kit can create up to 24 servings. You can even adjust the flavor intensity to your liking. Our syrups are shelf-stable, nut-free, and free from common allergens like soy, wheat, dairy, and eggs. They are not from concentrate and have a long shelf life. Beyond shaved ice, these flavors can enhance cocktails, sodas, coffee, and more. Add a dash of flavor to almost anything for a great value. What we like. This option provides everything you need to get started, including delicious, allergy-friendly syrups and accessories. If you're looking for a convenient, all-in-one solution for making flavored snow cones and want to ensure safe ingredients for everyone, this is the one to get. What people say. This slushy maker is super easy to use and makes perfect slushies every time. The design is compact and fits nicely on my countertop. It's also very simple to clean. Number 1. VIVOHOME Electric Ice Shaver Snow Cone Maker. Experience lightning-fast ice shaving with our powerful machine. It effortlessly crushes up to 143 pounds of ice per hour, perfect for any occasion. You can even adjust the ice texture to your preference. Enjoy a clean experience thanks to the upgraded anti-splash design. Ice flows smoothly into the bowl, keeping your countertop spotless. It's designed for ultimate convenience. Crafted with food-grade stainless steel, this machine ensures both durability and safety. It's ETL listed, guaranteeing high standards and reliable performance for your peace of mind. Operating it is simple and safe, even with wet hands, thanks to the water-resistant switch. It also features an auto-stop function for added protection. Its heavy-duty base ensures stability and reduces vibration, while the sleek design complements any setting. It's ideal for both home and commercial use. What we like. Boasting high-speed ice shaving and adjustable texture settings, this machine is built for performance. If you need a powerful and reliable ice shaver for frequent use, whether at home or for commercial purposes, this is an excellent choice for quick, customized results. What people say. This machine is very easy to use and makes perfect slushies every time. The design is compact and fits well on my countertop. It's great for parties and get-togethers, kids love it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.